For a very limited time, join our giveaways and take the chances to win with us. Just check the description.
Tezos' street to fame was not a simple one. Given the difficulties, the coin has quickly made progress. Besides, the organization likewise flaunts an energy-effective calculation, which is additionally versatile. The local resource of the Tezos organization Xtz has been under due thought of financial backers and dealers. Xtz has proactively been recorded including up and over 10 crypto trades in only 2 years of its beginning. Could it be said that you are thinking about Xtz for your portfolio, yet stressed over its profits? Follow this review till the finish to be aware of it. As we investigate Xtz and give you a nitty-gritty cost gauge for the present and impending years. Tezos, Xtz, price prediction for 2022. The computerized resource had initiated its exchange for 2022, with its cost at $4.352. Unrest in its cost direction pushed the value down to $3.799 by the 10th of January. Progression in the downtrend further took the cost to $2.550 by the 24th of January. From there on, an upswing took the cost around 81.83% higher to $4.602 by the 9th of February. Nonetheless, disturbance in the business coming about because of international tussles and Fed's tightening pushed the value down to $2.932 by February 24th. After a momentary advantage to $3.536, the cost of Xtz slid back to $2.910 by the 14th of March. An upturn from that point prompted the quarter's conclusion at $4.009. The subsequent quarter was savage for the business. The disturbing strife prompted a dive of more than 70% by the 17th of June. From that point, an upturn prompted the quarter's conclusion at $1.560. Xtz forecast for Q3. A convergence of new clients coming from coordinated efforts and selections, coming about because of the organization's assets. Like institutional-grade security, administration, energy-productive calculation, versatility, and savvy contracts, could push the cost to more noteworthy levels. Thus, Xtz can rise possibly to achieve the greatest cost of $2.020, with a base cost of $1.478. Likewise, the typical cost of the coin could be about $1.718. Expectation of Xtz for Q4. Developing positive feelings in Q4 and a spike in volumes could push the cost to more elevated levels. A bullish flood could assist with making the greatest cost of $2.574. Alternately, the confirms gauging the bulls could drag the base cost to $1.794. Progressively, calculating in the bullish and negative focuses on, the normal cost could settle at $2.120. Tezos price forecast for 2023. Continuously 2023. Outstanding development is profoundly expected because of inbound turn of events and reception. In the most ideal case, Xtz might trade exchanges at a greatest cost of $4.316 toward the finish of 2023. The cost should drop to a base expense of $2.237 on the off chance that the bears rule the market. With normal trade pressures, the resource is expected to exchange at $3.091. Value prediction of Tezos for 2024. Due to Tezos' layered engineering and express overhaul process, the organization can be prepared to give and integrate new cutting-edge innovations after they become plausible. This might help the coin's prevalence before very long. Depending on its novel elements, Tezos is expected to get the separate most reduced and greatest costs in 2024. As per its major review, the greatest and least levels are normal at $6.883 and $3.656, individually. Also, exchanging costs are projected to be $4.971 overall. Value trajectory for 2025. Tezos experts and crypto fans are hopeful that Tezos costs will continue to ascend from here on out. If the user base of the organization advances rapidly at an amazing speed, the organization would likewise warmly greet greater names in the business. In such a case, the cost of XTZ could melt to a limit of $9.844. On the other side, ebbing unmistakable quality and stiffer contest among opponents could wreck the cost to at least $5.360. All things considered, compelled by the direct direction of value, the altcoin could settle at $7.264. Tezos prediction. As the Tezos establishment keeps on acquiring notoriety, so will the quantity of XTZ holders. Planned Tezos cost expectation. The Tezos Foundation will assume a significant part in future cost developments. Tezos positively can possibly fill in his team over the course of the following quite a long while. In progression, the cost of XTZ could hit a limit of $2.50 toward the finish of 2022. While a rising opponent sends negative analysis could attract down the cost to $1.80. Standard trading tensions could settle the cost at $2.12. What is Tezos? Tezos, Xtz, is a blockchain network connected to a computerized token called a Tez or Tezi. Tezos are not in light of the mining of Tez. All things being equal, token holders get a prize for taking part in the verification of stake agreement system. The expression Tezos is an old Greek word for brilliant agreements according to the engineers. The stage is special as it has worked from its foundations to give a preferable administration process over Bitcoin and Ethereum. The Tezos has its local token, Xtz, which could be utilized for holding, sending, baking, or spending. Moreover, clients could utilize the token to decide on network incorporations. Major analysis. Arthur Brightman created Tezos. Tezos, likewise alluded to as Xtz, is a coin that is a multi-reason stage that upholds DApps and shrewd agreements. Arthur Brightman arranged the white paper on the brilliant agreement stage. The white paper ready for Tezos organization was expected to empower a superior administration process. Beforehand, Arthur Brightman and his significant other Kathleen Brightman sent off a beginning up known as dynamic ledger arrangements that capabilities by making a calculation that would set up the Tezos convention. Curiously, the tech firm was gained by the Tezos establishment. The stage's principal objective is to join a self-remedying convention and on-fasten administration to oversee network changes. Furthermore, the altcoin utilizes appointed verification of stake, DPoS, and upholds Turing-complete brilliant agreements. At long last, it would be worth focusing on that Tezos ejected into the crypto land by gathering $232 million in their record-breaking eco. Memorable market sentiments. 2019. Tezos kept on exchanging at 48 cents by mid-2019, however the computerized resource set out on a downtrend until the beginning of May. Following an upturn, the cost of XTZ came to $1.65 by the mid of May. After long periods of swings, XTZ's